electrolysis? Well, it's a decomposition of a compound by passing electric current through it. The electro in electrolysis means electricity, and the lysis part of electrolysis means to split. So let's take a look at the apparatus used in electrolysis. Of course, we need a DC supply. And the electrolyte is the molten substance or the aqueous solution, which means dissolved in water, that conducts electricity. The electricity is passed into and out of the electrolyte via two electrodes. These are often made of carbon because they conduct electricity and they're chemically fairly inert, which means unreactive. The positive electrode is called the anode, and the negative electrode is called the cathode. All electrolytes contain ions. The moving ions carry the current and are decomposed during electrolysis. Positive ions are attracted to the negative cathode, while the negative ions are attracted to the positive anode. Chemical changes take place when the ions reach the electrodes because the ions gain electrons at the negative cathode and lose electrons at the positive anode. And remember, don't panic. P-A-N-I-C. Positive is anode, negative is cathode. So remember, if electrons are gained, reduction happens. If electrons are lost, oxidation happens. Here's a mnemonic to help you remember this. Oil rig. Oxidation is loss, reduction is gain. Hardly any solid compounds conduct electricity. But if they're dissolved in water or are molten, in other words melted, then lots of compounds conduct electricity because the ions are free to move about.